Good morning. So today what we need to do is put hydraulic fluid in our pump reservoir, and I'll show you how that works. The hydraulic fluid goes to your vac pump and keeps it lubricated and keeps it working. So we're going to fill the container up. Hydraulic fluid here. We have a big 55-gallon drum we use, so we save all the plastic jugs and use that. You climb up. There's a couple ways you can do it, but we're going to climb up the side of the truck. I'm going to walk down the rail. You want to kind of be careful so you don't fall. This container right here, getting low. You don't want to let it run out because it can mess your pump up. So what you do is get your cap off. Get your hydraulic fluid. Pour it in. Try not to spill it. Every once in a while you spill it, but try not to. Alright. Perfect. Put our cap back on. You don't want to do it too tight, so it's too hard to get off later. I'm going to walk back down. Just got to be careful walking. Got to hold on to the rail. And you want to be careful climbing down also. Now hold on to stuff as you're climbing down. All right. So what we're doing is we're pushing off at the disposal, and so what happens is, if you see up here, I have the mark showing how many barrels are on the trailer. So right now I got about 60 barrels left. Just got kind of have marked. I gotta repaint it, and then when it's down here to E, you know you're empty. It's a 150 barrel trailer. It can hold up to 150 barrels when you're working. So all right, so we'll go put this hydraulic fluid back up. It's a great day here in North Dakota. Beautiful this morning. Alright, and I'll show you the back pump real quick. You won't be able to hear me talk, but I'll show it to you. So this is the reservoir. This is a big reservoir here. What this does is it pushes, it's your hydraulic fluid. Your hydraulic fluid runs through the lines to activate the pump. You have a PTO up under the truck. When you flip that switch, it turns it on and pressures this up. So those lines go right here, and then they go into the pump, and you can see the motor spinning. So what it is this handle makes it pull or push, whichever way you want, onto the trailer. And here's our reservoir. You can see the line going right down into the pump, and it just lubricates it so it can spin. That's pretty much it. That's all we're doing today. We're pushing off at a disposal. Really pretty area. It's one of my favorite disposals, out in the middle of nowhere. It's just really pretty. So hopefully you guys have a great day, and hopefully you enjoy the video. If y'all want to see more stuff, just you know, hit me up on YouTube, and I'll answer your questions for you and stuff. Okay. All right. Thanks, guys. Bye.